Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Chicks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Avengers Infinity War in Infinite Craft. Let's dive right in. Start with the earth element. Combine it with water to create plant. Then, combine plant plus plant to make a tree. Add tree plus tree to create a forest. Take it further by combining forest plus forest to create a jungle. Next, mix earth plus fire to form lava. Add water to the lava to make stone. Then, combine stone plus wind to create sand. And finally, mix sand plus fire to make glass. Combine fire plus wind to produce smoke, and when you merge smoke with the previous sequence, you'll get a mirror. Now combine earth plus wind to create dust. Then add fire to make ash. Add fire again and you'll get a phoenix. For the next step, mix water plus dust to produce mud. Combine these two sequences and you'll create a bird. Take that bird and add it to the jungle sequence to make a parrot. Moving forward, water plus water equals lake. Fire plus fire equals volcano. Water plus wind equals wave, plus earth is equals to sand. Sand plus fire equals glass, and then add lake to create mirror. Add volcano to the mirror to create echo. Merge echo with the para to create repeat. Combine repeat plus repeat to get loop, and finally add repeat again to make infinite. Now let's build the sandbox. Mix fire plus water to create steam, then add fire to make an engine. Separately, combine earth plus fire to create lava, then add water for stone, and mix stone plus wind to produce sand. Merge these sequences to create a sandbox. Finally, mix earth plus wind to get dust, then add earth again to create a planet. Combine the sandbox with plant to make Minecraft, and finish by adding Minecraft plus infinite to create Infinite Craft. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to make Avengers Infinity War in Infinite Craft. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Tech Chicks tutorial for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.